All right, you guys, we got our harness tape. Let's get this thing done. We got the truck down. All the wiring is completely done. Got a new battery. Got the ECU mounted. Everything's good. We're good there. Everything's good. We're good. It has oil. I just need to fill the transmission, power steering, coolant after I get the exhaust done. We will have startup today for sure. Stay tuned. Guys, exhaust is done. I had to put my phone on charge because it was pretty low on battery and I couldn't record the whole process, but basically just chopped off the old pieces that hooked up to the old headers. Made some new ones. Now these shorties are 2.5, so I have to get a little bit ghetto to get into the 3-inch, but it works. It's not hindering exhaust flow. We're Gucci. Should sound pretty decent. I just hooked up the wideband. Put it on the passenger side. Everything else down here is good to go. I gotta go get a haircut, so once we get back from barbershop, we will start this sucker up. And here's what we got up here. Everything's ready. Let's see what she does. Oh, I still need gotta fab up a piece for the intake for now. I got one ordered, but it didn't get here in time, so I'm just gonna fab one out of like some exhaust pipe, put a filter on it, call it good for now. But yeah, let's hear this puppy. got this thing running and runs and drives good. However, I'm only getting about 45 to 50% throttle here with the pedal all the way to the floor. So what I'm gonna do, I already took the bracket off. I'm gonna modify that bracket, bring that angle a little bit lower, so as it sits like this. So I think that that angle is too high, so whenever we push the pedal, it's only pulling, you know, it's adding to the, I don't know what you call it. I guess the radius that wire has to travel to pull that throttle. So I think if I bring it down, make that more flat of an angle, it'll be able to get a little more action. In theory, that's what my brain is telling me. So I'm gonna chop it here, bring it down, chop it here, and then weld it, make it pretty, and see if that works. Man, I'm sure there's videos all over the place, but we got the truck running, everything's done. I went ahead and hooked up the brake switch for torque converter lockup. But yeah, all we need to do now is charge up the AC. All the fluids are good, temps are good, drives great. The only thing I had to do is, because of these headers, this is the only thing I could find at O'Reilly's locally, and these are for a 2004 Impala with a 5.3. Unfortunately, the boots are burning because of these headers, just the way the primaries are routed, but I got some ceramic boot spark plug wires on the way. They should be here Wednesday. But other than that, I mean, we're done. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. This is probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 days worth of footage. I didn't film a whole lot of like the buttoning up stuff. Just do it, film, do it, film. But yeah, we'll finish up with this one and send it down the road. But remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.